Now today, let's start with chapter number 16, the story of wheel. So in this chapter, we will study about how early men invented wheel. So before invention of wheel, it become very difficult to move from one place to another. The early men, they have to move to keep the heavy loads on their back, and they have to go to far off places. So do you think how would be our life without wheel? No cycle, no buses, no car. How would you go from one place to another? So आपको उससे पता चल रहा होगा कि जो लाइफ है, it must be difficult before the invention of wheel. People must have walked to go anywhere. They must have carried loads on their back. Some may have sledges to drag heavy loads, and some use animal. ऐसे sledges होते थे, इनका use करते थे loads को carry करने के लिए. Now idea of wheel. No one knows where the idea of the wheel came from. लॉन्ग अगो ऐसा बोला जाता है कि एक लॉग ऑफ वुड ऐसे पहाड़ों पे से गिरता हुआ जा रहा था, रोल होता हुआ. तो उससे ही क्या हुआ, अर्ली मैन के माइंड में आइडिया आया कि हम इससे क्या कर सकते हैं, व्हील का इन्वेंशन कर सकते हैं. सो लॉन्ग अगो सम माइट हैव सीन अ log rolling down a hill and got the idea. People must have found it easier to move heavy loads by putting around a log. So what happened? The first wheel were perhaps made by cutting log into shape, और एक होल बनाया गया सेंटर में और उसमें स्लेज लगाई गई, and people could now make carts to move heavy loads easily. They could also move long distances for a short period of time. Now, importance of the wheel. Now we'll study about the importance. Today most means of transport use wheel, and the wheel has made our life easier. जो इन्वेंशन था व्हील का, उसने क्या करा, हमारी लाइफ को क्या बना दिया, ईजियर बना दिया. क्योंकि हम अब क्या कर सकते हैं, एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में इजिली जा सकते हैं. राइट, this is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.